Would you use a combination lock with a suitcase strap? I have prepared 3 different locks. Insert lock style. Just press down on the bumps on either side of the latch to open it. Common password lock. Initial security is 0. To change the password, press and hold both sides of the lock, dial the number to the password you want, and set up. This is a custom combination lock. TSA 认证锁。The location to change the password is on the back of the lock. Follow the instructions to transfer from A to B, and then set the password you want. After setting the transfer back to A, your password is set. The style of the straps can be customized.